Hi everyone, it's Nomad X Christina, coming to you from the she shed in my parents' backyard. So we had a power outage just now. It was a very short-lived one, but we had no idea at the time how long it was going to last. I turned on my flashlight on my phone and ran into the house and said, "Hey guys, don't panic. I'll get out my Yeti. I've got a solar generator. We can plug a light in. We don't have to worry during a power outage." So I went to my room and dragged out my older solar generator. It's a 450 watt Yeti that I bought 3 years ago when I first got the Transit Connect. And I bought that so that I'd have power when I was taking my daughter to school in Massachusetts after my RV was wrecked. I don't use that one in my van anymore because I decided to upgrade to a 750 watt Blue a different brand of solar generator. The Blue probably is more power than I need on most days, but it's good to have all that extra power just in case I'm camping somewhere without a lot of sun. I had bought it to run a fridge originally, but the fridge I had died after a couple of weeks on the road. And even though I managed to fix it with a new part they sent me under warranty, I decided just not to bother with the fridge on the road. I didn't want to go through that again. So I just use a cooler, and I'll talk about this more in an upcoming video, especially when I do my van tour. So I dragged that Yeti out and put it in the living room and plugged in a light, and voila, we had light. And it was only drawing like something like 12.4 watts because the light that we're using, everything's LED pretty much in our house now. Here I just plugged the Yeti back in even though the power's on, just so you can see right now it's even drawing 12.3 volts, which is nothing. I plugged in this old light. We've got it, I think 3 out of the 5 lights on. So that was great. You can run lights on a Yeti. That thing could have run for like 18 hours or more just on a 450 watt solar generator if we didn't have anything else plugged in. But anyway, I highly recommend these devices. I don't monetize YouTube. Obviously, I have like 10 or 12 subscribers, and I don't have an Amazon affiliate link store. But if you don't know anything about solar generators and you don't have solar in your house, check them out. These are little power packs that you can plug in 12-volt devices, you can plug in USB devices, and you can plug in regular AC current devices as long as the wattage doesn't exceed the capacity of these generators. People who do van life love these things. I love these things, but they're not just for van life. You can get some really big and powerful ones that you can use in lieu of a gas generator at your house. So highly recommend it. And here's just one more funny thing about this. So the power was only out for 5 minutes or so, and then it came back on. And my dad came out, and he was just rolling his eyes laughing. And he said, I had just sat down at the computer, and I was going to read this article with an interview by Gavin Newsom. He's the governor of California, and the topic of this article that he was going to read was how California can prevent rolling blackouts. And he literally sat down and it went out. The power went out right as he was going to read this article. So there you go. Classic irony. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you have a wonderful night, and I hope that whatever your best life is, whether you're at home playing games or whether you like to camp or travel, fly an airplane, go around the world, do anything you can to fulfill that. If you have a dream, go out of your way, try to fulfill it, live your best life, and you won't regret it.